So this one I think is so funny because this can't, there's no way possible. You know if you take selfie when you're pregnant. Why? Because you will have cross-eye. The baby will have cross-eye. That don't make no sense.
Me a figure out your style, them now. Oh yo. You like you say things we so.
What's up, guys? I'm Chaddy.
And I'm Danny.
You know, we're here for a good time.
And a long time.
Here for a good time.
And a long time.
Today, I feel happy. Do you feel happy? I know you feel happy. Danielle's bump is showing bigger and bigger, by the way, guys.
I feel heavy.
Yeah, Danielle's feeling heavy, by the way, guys, if you didn't know. I just want to say today we have a special video for you guys, and today's special video is called
Jamaican pregnancy myths.
I need you to comment down below right now the ones that you have heard and which ones you never heard before. Comment down below right now.
Some of them I never heard before.
Yeah,
so I don't know.
we kind of skimmed through it and I was like, I never heard that one before. Danielle, don't do it though, because they're kind of terrifying. Some of them are really terrifying, by the way. Before we get started, we need notification gang, notification squad. Comment down below right now. Notification notification zoom, notification preggers, comment down below. Notification DC squad, notification DC gang, DC bang bang bang. Whoa.
Bang bang bang.
Dang.
Okay.
Smash the like button for this video right now, and subscribe if you want to be a part of the family. The first one is,
if a lizard jumps on you, you're pregnant even if you know or you don't know, but it just means that somebody's pregnant.
Somebody's pregnant. By the way, guys, I am terrified with lizards.
But no lizard jumped on me, so I don't know.
You don't know, yeah. Well, the second one we're gonna tell you, I think that was real, and I think that's what happened. Well, we'll get to the second one, but let's go back to the first one here about lizards. Guys, I'm terrified of lizards, and a lot of times when I was younger, a lizard jump on me and thing, and somebody got pregnant. So I really believe this one. You never know
nobody that get pregnant.
My mother, I've seen a lizard jump on my mother, and she was pregnant.
I never. That's a lie.
I believe in it. Comment down if you believe in it. Me believe in it. The second one is the fish dream.
Chaddy claims that he had a fish dream.
I had a fish dream. Well, I had a shark dream when shark that almost killed me and thing me in the ocean, and the fish roast me.
And that's why I'm pregnant.
Fish roast me.
Roast you? You're so dumb. And that's why I'm pregnant.
Yes. So I believe in another one. I really do believe in this. Daniel, I think you believe in this too. Don't lie.
If you say so.
I believe in it, guys, and
that's what happened to me.
Yeah, and that's what happened to me.
I had a shark dream and then it ended.
Yeah, I really did have a shark dream, and I mean, fish and shark are the same thing, right?
Oh my god.
What happened if it's...
Anyways, next one. Okay, the next one is you must stay away from needle and thread. I've never heard this one before.
What happens?
So they say, according to Jamaican folklore, using needle and thread while pregnant can cause the baby to be tied up in the umbilical cord. I have never heard that before.
This has to be coming from a old Jamaican
so that means
mother.
You can't sew or nothing while you're pregnant?
Yeah, like, that don't make no sense.
Let me think. I didn't sew, but...
Yeah, but no, yeah, she hasn't touched needles. You won't be touching needles, by the way.
Why?
After
I never heard that.
I don't believe that.
I never heard that.
I don't believe in it, but you're not touching needles.
Okay.
Me no too trust the needle.
Next one is don't hold your hands above your head. Well, I do that every day, so I don't know. But let's say that's another one that will cause the umbilical cord to wrap around the baby.
Me no know. Me no believe in it.
But I hold my hand over my head every day.
Stop it. Stop it. Don't do it. Stop. No, for real, don't do it. You can tie the baby head.
That can't be right. Because look how much times people do that.
I mean.
I don't really believe that one.
Yeah, I don't believe that one, but I just not do it.
I don't know.
If them tell you enough to do it, you just don't do it. Just listen.
But suppose you do it without even thinking that or knowing that you do it.
Yeah, you did it a couple times, but good. We're happy right now. God is in our hands right now, and God, the baby's still alive right now, guys. So this one I think is so funny because this can't. There's no way possible. No possible. You know if you take selfie when you're pregnant. Why? Because you will have cross eye. The baby will have cross eye. That don't make no sense. I've never heard of that, but that don't make no sense to me. Like legit, that don't make no sense.
But look how much picture I took.
Yeah, she be taking selfies, guys, but she doesn't post, by the way, guys. She never posts.
Sorry, guys.
Yeah,
I'm like so bad at that now.
Yeah, she don't post.
I used to be so good at
If you check her collection, she has a full backlog of pictures just sitting there.
You post pictures?
No.
Okay, so don't say anything.
Me not like take selfies. So basically, I don't really get that.
I don't think so.
Yeah, that one.
No way, because pregnant women take pictures all the time.
All the time, like yeah, you're not supposed
and
to
the
take
baby
pictures.
don't have cross eyes. So the next one is don't mark the baby. So basically, don't scratch.
Don't itch.
Like if you have an itch, don't scratch it because it will leave an ugly birthmark on the baby. So what you supposed to do if your skin scratching you? I just finished scratching.
Put your hand over the soul. Put your hand over the soul. Stop scratching baby.
Just beat it like this.
Yeah. Don't even touch it. Let me touch it for you. Don't touch
So
it.
you're gonna mark the baby?
I'm not gonna scratch.
What are you gonna do?
I'm gonna do my little thing and yeah.
That one I actually heard before, but I don't believe that one.
No, but I've heard. You know what I've heard? The last part where your mother touch is where your birthmark gonna come, which I never believe. I never believe that. So basically, when she's giving birth and she goes and touch her forehead, you're gonna have a birthmark on your forehead.
I don't. The next one is don't go near the dead. I've heard this one already.
That's why we used to live around place close by.
always
It was
have
a
a
funeral home, so we stopped. Live near the funeral.
Oh my god.
home.
We live right across from my funeral home.
I mean, we can't avoid it, but it's
But
not like.
I mean, it's not like we're inside.
Yeah, we're not near it. We're not
But
like
basically,
walking.
they say you shouldn't go near the dead because they will steal the life of your baby, which is kind of like, iffy.
I mean, I've heard it so
I've
many
heard
times.
it a lot.
So
Yeah.
many times, but I just feel like.
That's too weird.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, like.
And this was really
I guess-
old time.
I guess the evil spirit them just said, "Oh my baby."
You're stupid.
I strongly believe this one. To determine the baby, you aim for a boy or a girl. The baby boy would be born in on the low end, right? Of the
Born
belly.
on the low end.
I mean, yeah, the belly
The
would
belly
be low.
would be low.
And then for the girl, it would be high.
Yeah, I believe that one too.
Which
Because,
I strongly believe this one.
yeah, because I've seen it with a lot of people.
Yeah, it's most common. And then for being a boy too, them said the mother get big, big cock.
What?
Big titty.
No.
Yeah.
That's a both.
And then for a girl, the mother get kind of whitish.
Yeah, I heard a whitish, and they said that for a boy, the baby, that the belly, all the fat in the belly.
Yeah, so the fat in her belly and thing. And then we said daddy get the pregnancy belly too.
You been getting pregnancy?
Pregnancy cravings? Yeah, I've been having pregnancy cravings.
Yeah, and he had pregnancy symptoms too. The last but definitely not least is, I never heard this one before, but it says pregnant women should not feel sorry for a disfigured person. So I guess regarding the looks, because the baby will come out with the looks of the person that they felt sorry for. I've never heard that one before. That is so weird.
That's the first time I heard that one. And
I don't think so.
yeah, I mean, that's crazy though. So you're not supposed to feel pity.
Pity for that person, because then your baby will have that same feature.
That's interesting. So you're not supposed to feel pity for that person.
That's so dumb.
That's kind of weird too. Like,
That's stupid.
because that's automatic. That's automatically feel bad for the person.
I don't think that one is true.
Yeah.
There's no way you can look on somebody and feel
Comment
bad.
down below what you think about that one, guys.
Yeah.
By the way, we got all these from Jamaicans.com. Somebody sent it to our DM. And we said, let's do this video because this is funny because Danielle's pregnant.
And we were looking through them and we're like, what?
Yeah, like two of them, like we really no. Like, no, actually like 3 or 4.
Yeah, maybe
Three or-
two.
yeah.
2 for me, 2 or 3.
Yeah, 3 or 4 for me. But yeah, honestly, some of them are weird.
Like that last one.
The one with the hand, you don't put your hand up here, and then with the needle.
Stretch.
Stop, for real, done. And the needle one, we never know about.
And that disfigured one.
Yeah,
I don't know about
yeah.
that one.
That's the first time I ever heard that one. Go ahead, comment down below the ones that you know, with the ones that you think is weird, which ones you think is funny, like.
Or tell us some more that you know.
Which ones your grandmother or your mother tell you. Comment down below right now. Smash the like button. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Smash the comment button right now.
Notification gang.
Notification gang, notification squad right now. Comment down below and we are gonna do the shoutouts. First notification shoutout goes to
Dreanne Watson.
Dreanne Watson, big up your damn self. You're going right over Daniel's head top right here. Second notification shoutout goes to
Radine Harris.
Radine Harris, big up your damn self. You're going right over here. Third notification shoutout goes to
Shayna Syria. I hope I said that right.
Shayna, big up your damn self. You're going right over here. I want to say thank you guys so much. Comment down below what you guys want to see next, what kind of Jamaican video you guys want to see, what kind of pregnancy video you guys want to see. Comment down below. Smash the like button. Hope you guys enjoy this video again. I want to say thank you guys for the support and we are out.
Me a figure out your style, them now. Oh yeah.